Let's take a look at solution for task 19. Say add this document to your HTML. So we're going to copy this and put it in our HTML file. So I'm just going to replace all these ones. So we have this in there. And write a script that will change the value based on even index. So we want to put hello from JavaScript. All right. So let me make sure I close this ones up here. Okay. So we want to get all the elements with the class test. So we're going to get all our elements with document.getElement by class name, and we're going to put in test, the name of the class. And this will be a list of all the elements. So if you want to confirm that, you can log what your elements are. And you can see here we have a collection of HTML paragraphs. All right, so the constraint says only the even index should be changed. Okay. All right, so what we need to do is remember our for in loops through the index. And this is one that is valuable for us in this case because we need to access the index. You can use other form of loop, of course. There are different form that you can use to solve the same problem. So let's say index in elements. We want to go through individual index and we want to check if the index is divisible by 2. If it's divisible by 2, we want to change the elements, the element in that index. We want to change the HTML to this text here, hello from JS. All right, so with this, we can already run this and you will see this, the even numbers are being shown there. Welcome, hello from index, all right, from JS. So now the next one says that if that we should change the text color of all the odd numbers, yeah. So you're going to do else. We want to set this same element. This time we want to modify the style.color. The style color, we want to make it any color of our choice. So can call it green. And if you run this, you get all the odd numbers in green, and the other ones are changed to hello from JS. All right, so this is your solution to task 19. There's one quick thing that we need to take a look here. You see this place, it's saying cannot set property of undefined setting color. So now the problem with that is because this for in is going to not only read the index that has exactly what we are looking for, but is also going to loop through all the properties. And this HTML collection also have other properties. that are not indexed, like the length, like dot length to get length. Those are also properties. And it's going to also go through that here. So in order to find out that, you can do console log what your index are at this point. Then we will see clearly what is going on there. So if I run this code, you see it starts from 0, which is what we are looking for. And it goes all the way, then there's a length as an index. So this length is a string, which is not what we are looking for. All right, so we need to only process for numbers. So if we come here and we say console log, remember when we did how to convert stuff to number, right? If you do this here and you run this, you will see that the last one says not a number. So there's something called is none, if I'm correct. Is none is a function that takes something to check. So if we put this here and we run this code, you see that the last one returned true because this is the length. So it's not a number. We are passing each of the index to be a number, and we are checking if it's a number. So is none is a function, an inbuilt function in JavaScript that checks if a value is actually a number or not. So this is what you need to use to prevent this issue that is happening here. So we have to create a bridge here that checks if it's not a number, the index that is coming in, we want to skip. Remember, continue. Continue will forget to run this script and go back to the next element. So with this, if we run this code, you get the same result, but no error in the console anymore.